Hello and welcome. Today from the flight to the Milan Malpensa airport. In the small and rather quiet suburb Sommalombardo, the Hilton Garden Inn Milan Malpensa was constructed in 2006 and renovated in 2013. The hotel is located only a few kilometers north of the airport and is therefore a good choice if you arrive late in the evening and don't want to make the trip to Milan, which is more than 40 kilometers away. The garden is very nice to sit outside on sunny weather. In the lobby area we start with a snack shop, which is important since there is no filled minibar in the room. When walking towards the front desk, on the left side we have the main entrance, and above the front desk we have a real highlight, a bright dome. From here we go up to our room. We originally booked a twin room, but the employee at the front desk looked at us, smiled and said he would give us an upgrade since a king bed might be the better choice. Something which is funny and not standard in garden inns, by the way. Our room was on the third floor and, as you can see on the schematics, the rooms do not differ too much. Well, what can I say about the room? You definitely see that the last renovation is quite some time ago. The room in general is quite okay. You find the typical Hilton amenities in the bathroom, but a closer look onto the details reveals some signs of use. That is normal and to be expected, of course, but reduces the pleasure. The doors of the shower rattle a little bit, open with difficulty, and discoloration is visible on the floor. Also, the wooden floor in the room looks scratched on closer inspection and looks definitely not as good as new. Even if the hotel is listed as a 4-star hotel, I would rather compare the room to a Hampton room. And even there, most modern Hamptons in Germany would do much better. But to also point out some positive things, USB and different socket standards are definitely a plus. The minibar was filled with the complimentary bottles of water, and as I said before, if you wanted some other drinks or snacks, you find a shop in the lobby area. The bed with the red headboard looks quite cool and fits to the chair, but here you see again the compact room size, since the chair is somehow in your way. Also in this hotel you'll find ironing board and a safe in the wardrobe. And if you look outside by day, you see that you really are in a small village. But the view is nice. Since there is not much more to say about the room, we will go down to the restaurants for breakfast and have a look into the dome from the third floor. We've been here in June 2020 and spent also some nights in the Villa Torretta and the Garden Inn Milan North. However, this hotel was the only one which didn't provide the boring and contentless bag for breakfast, but had a full a la carte service in the restaurant. There was plenty of space, not much traffic during our visit, and every table was pre-equipped with jams, honey and so on, and after you ordered, your table got full. And I mean full, as you will see. It was a little bit funny since on the one side we received, for example, way more eggs than ordered, but on the other side some items were missing. Anyway, if we knew at that time already that it will be our last proper breakfast for the next days, we would have appreciated it more. For the Hilton Garden Inn Milan Malpensa, we award 3 out of 5 diamonds. Thank you and goodbye. Your Alex from GajaDreams.